Hi, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to find notes on the guitar. This is a pretty big subject, like a wide subject. The thing is, like, most of my students come to me and most of them have like fragmented knowledge of the strings and on the guitar and on notes, and they would like to learn more, but they're scared because on the guitar it's very easy to look at shapes, but it's not that easy to understand what you're actually playing, which notes you're playing. Okay, there's a couple of tricks that we can use, and they're gonna be very helpful to memorize and to learn where notes are on the guitar. So the method I use is this. I would say to my student, you only have to learn the notes which don't have any accidentals, so we're talking about sharps or flats, on the 6th string, okay? So we have E, this is open E, then we have 1st fret F, then we have G, then we have A, then we have B on the 7th, then we have C on the 8th, yeah? Then we have D on the 10th, and E on the 12th. So what we have to remember here, we need points of reference. We need to be sure about some of the notes, and then we're gonna transpose the other notes to know where we are. It's gonna be much clearer as I explain. So open string is E, okay? And this is like a fixed point. This is a given, all right? 12th is the E again, but it's an octave above. So what is an octave? An octave is the same note at double the frequency. This is like we're talking about sounds. If this note is 50 hertz, just to make an example, this note will be 100 hertz, okay? So double that and you get the octave above. In musical terms, it means that you have a low E and you have an high E. Same note, an octave higher. Now, another good thing would be to have a point of reference somewhere here. So what we need is another point of reference in the middle. I would say 5th fret is a good starting point, because 5th fret is the same as the next open string, okay? So, and it's also used to tune. So basically, if you want to tune one string to another, you hit the 5th fret, open string, and see if they are the same sound. Okay, so now we have 3 points of reference. We have E, open E, A, and E, 12th fret. Okay, so we know that on the guitar we just need to move 1 fret up to have a sharp, 1 fret down to have a flat. So 6 would be A sharp and 4 would be A flat. Okay, so let's say that we have in this moment we have 3 points of reference, and if we need anything in between those notes, we can work it out like that. So let's say I need a C sharp, all right? I want to find a C sharp on the 6th string. Where is C? C is between, it's of course between A and E. Okay, just think about the letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E. So C is in between. So what I'll do, I will start from either A or E and work myself down. So I have A sharp, B, C, C sharp. Remember that between B and C there's only 1 fret. This is a convention, okay? So it's how our musical system in the Western world functions. That's how it works, okay? So we have A sharp, B sharp, C sharp. That's it. This is a C sharp on the 6th string, okay, and it's fret number 9. See that? Number 9. Now, why do I need to know all this? I need to know all this because if I want to find other C sharps in the next octaves, I just need to do this. From this, I'm gonna skip a string, go to the next one, and go 2 frets above. Okay? So in this case, it would be 11 on the 4th string. Okay? So 9, skip 1, next string, plus 2. That's it. And this rule works everywhere on the guitar except when you cross the 3rd string. The 3rd string is like an anomaly, let's say, because it's tuned in a different way. Well, actually, it's not the 3rd string, but it's the 2nd string that it's tuned in a different way. But whatever. In this case, we skip 1 string and we go 3 frets down. So from C sharp, we have the next C sharp on the 2nd string, yeah, 14th fret. So we were 9 plus 2, 11, skip 1 string. Then skip 1 string, add 3, it's 14. So we have 9, 11, 14. These 3 notes are all C sharps, okay? So in this way, you just need to learn the notes on 1 string, find it there, and then you will find all the octaves. Okay? You can do the same on the 5th string to have another point of reference. It's gonna be like, you know that this is A, then this is A, an octave above, and we have D, next string on the 5th fret. Okay? So in that case, if I need, I don't know, I need a C sharp there, I will go like A sharp, B, C, C sharp. Then next octave, skip 1 string, go 2 frets down, 6 on the 3rd. Then I'm crossing the 2nd and 3rd strings. Yeah? So especially the 2nd. The 2nd is the problem. So, okay? So we go, instead of going 2, it would be that. It's 3 frets. So from 6 on the 3rd string, we have 9 on the 1st. That's it.